Welcome to my video. Today we're going to make a treasure chest. I've got some old pallets and all of my dad's tools. So we can chop it up and put it all together. Let's go. Put my eyes and ears on, safety first, and cut down here to cut the good wood out. Okay, now that's done, now you're going to get a hammer. Pile of wood, and now I've got to take the nails out of the middle. Now I've got the planks, it's time to measure the treasure chest. My treasure chest is going to be 50 centimeters wide. I'm not going to use it, it's too slow. I'm going to use the nail gun. Now we've just got to do the finishing touches.
What?
my wonderful treasure chest. I made it all by myself and now it's time to boogie. Please subscribe.